Day two of a case that will decide the fate of these two men. Their colleague, lead detective Jeff Stone, on the stand much of the day. Prosecutors accusing him of favoritism and asking why there wasn't video of Keith Sande's lapel camera or a sergeant's on scene, why he hand-delivered evidence to out-of-state crime labs, and while he waited 2 days after the shooting to interview the officers.
Typically, yes, I do try to interview them that night or within some hours.
But the detective told the court he would never compromise the integrity of a case for anyone. The defense also asked him to read statements from the officers. He said for 3 hours, James Boyd, a man with a violent history, refused to drop his knives and repeatedly threatened to kill officers.
I ought to come down there and cut you up and take your hat. And then he starts talking about how he collects hats. Then he starts accusing Sergeant Ware of being a child molester. He and then states, "Should I kill you just because of that?"
He testified that night was falling. Officers believed Boyd was going to come down the mountain but refused to drop his knives. They had layers of non-lethal tactics, the flashbang, the taser shotgun, and the dog to get him into custody, but they all failed.
I was in fear for myself, for Scott Weimer-Scourge, for Rick Ingram, that one of them might have been seriously injured or fatally wounded at that point.
And when the dog handler got within 9 feet of Boyd, they shot and killed him. Then the state showed autopsy photos of Boyd, including his amputated arm.
Put an indication to where approximately Mr. Boyd's arm was cut off.
This line right here, where I believe it was amputation.
Now, just about an hour ago, a crisis intervention officer also took the stand. His surprising statements that might surprise you. We're going to have that coming up at 10. Back to you.